Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Lawyers representing Abigail Malcolm, the People's National Party candidate for the Cornwall Mountain Division in Westmoreland, say her Jamaica Labour Party counterpart, Donette Foster, has been evasive in their efforts to serve her injunction documents. On Friday, Malcolm applied for an injunction through her attorneys Maurice McCurdy and senior counsel Clayton Morgan, seeking to bar Foster from being sworn in as the counselor. My viewers and subscribers, my wisdom warriors, right now PNP files injunction to prevent swearing in of JLP councillor-elect in Cornwall Mountain Division pending recount. I do not blame the PNP. So the thing say, you see how we out here, remember, we see what going on, and the same thing that we're saying, and that exactly happening to my viewers and subscribers. Mark Golding and a fool, Mark Golding mean business, I mean say they into corrupt, so, and they not get away with it, And that, a real corruption people, them, and you always know, say, win, a thief and thief election, like how we always say. But this year, me like how them, you see, Mark Golding, PNP, them are moving silence. Yeah, man, me like it. On Friday, Malcolm applied for an injunction through her attorneys Maurice McCurdy and senior counsel Clayton Morgan, seeking to bar Foster from being sworn in as the counselor. They are demanding a magisterial recount in the division after the Electoral Office of Jamaica, EOJ, declared Foster the winner following the local government election on February 26. In a slim margin of 27 votes, Foster 1,497, votes to Malcolm 1,470. We applied for a magisterial recount in the Cornwall Mountain Division in Westmoreland on Friday, and we applied for an injunction to prevent the swearing of the candidate for the JLP, Miss Donette Foster, but she has been very evasive. You know what that means? She avoided it. She avoid them, and that she try to do. She don't want to be served, so she avoid it. Hey, storage come to bomb. Say, yo, the whole of them are real canatis, But she has been very evasive, as the bailiff is not able to locate her. McCurdy told the paper today. We are also trying to serve the election petition on her as well. But Miss Foster has been evading the service. Basically, she avoid them because she want to run go swear in as a councillor. And this is what I like about the PNP them. Anything them say, they mean. Then I say something and do the other. If them ask for a recount, why it is so hard? Remember, Remember, so they did say Mark Golding is the winner. And then go then ask for them recount. And one bag of man pretend like say them never done count yet. When they know so them done count. Them know so them done count already. This is why they announce the winner. This is why they make Cliff Hughes announce the winner because they done count. But true, because Andrew Holness now stress out to the ground in demand the EOJ them for recount and make it look like say they never done count it. On the things that we are idiot. Only thing so we are idiot, Mark Golding, don't ease up. Don't ease up after them, Mark Golding. Let me tell you something for all those who don't know. Mark Golding is a liar. He was a liar and he's a liar. So, him know exactly what is going on. You understand? Him no fool. Andrew Holness, a top chopper. Andrew Holness, a top scammer. A number one scammer. A scam NHT, scam taxpayers' money. And this is why you see Dennis Meadows come out and say when say, that is why I said Dennis Meadows come out. Remember, say Dennis Meadows usually in the JLP, enough scamming then do, Yeah. Yeah, enough scamming then do in the JLP. Them a scammer, them a thief. You understand me? They are. That's why you see that one Venetia she run gone over there. Because she said, but wait, PNP not giving no money. Me have to go over here so with the money there. And money, the root, the lover of money is the root of all evil. That's why you see them a go on so. They don't love Jamaican people. And this is why I can understand why people in a green are run up and down behind Andrew Holness. Uno forget what Andrew Holness do. If it never happened to Uno exactly. Uno remember what Andrew Holness do to Uno people. Remember when I COVID Andrew Holness, Jamaica was the only country that was charging people more than plane ticket money. True they now wear mask. Charge people. That the money the way they did charge people, it's more than a plane fare. My viewers and subscribers, I can't believe this. And that the man that don't want to run. When you feel say Andrew Holness, you see all of the things that Andrew Holness was doing in a pandemic. One thing say Andrew Holness decide say he want to stop. I would the land thing. Mark Golding take him go court about the lands. You understand? Mark Golding take him go to court. Even with the car seat business with the taxi driver them. And Mark Golding are the one to fight on the back on a taxi boy, on a taxi man. And Mark Golding. Uno fi stand up with not Andrew Holness. Uno think say everything when Andrew Holness say, oh, he's going to do a change of heart. Yeah, ma do a change of heart because he want to win and control the place. Then he go back to when normally do. Uno go see. And you know when I go say, if me did know. But then time there, me I go say, Andrew, hey, blast them, Andrew, blast them. Yeah, me now go come out because Andrew, me tell you already, Me tell you already, if you allow Andrew Holness to win election and all them something all the general election and everything, and Jamaica turn Republican and start ball out me not cause Andrew. Me just show it up and rub it in our face. That's what I'm going to do. Because if me every day me I come out and I encourage the dunce back them and the fly back the girl them, yeah, I teach them something and they can learn. Then me. When Andrew Holness win now, general election, and I treat no bad, me if you go pick up phone, no must lick on no head. Me not do that. Me not doing that big so on a better saddle up from now. Me tell you that. On a better saddle up from now. My viewers and subscribers, my wisdom warriors. See, the girl, the counselor, she is avoiding to be served because she want to run. Go swearing for counselor. Not at all. Mark Golding is not having it. Only thing say Mark Golding just do all of this because he want to. Him know what happened. I upload a video last night and show somebody that was working there. Somebody that was working and that was present. Talk everything. Where happened? Number one, Daryl Vaz of people a vote for him after the place lock, polling station lock. Then fi be disqualified. You understand? And PSOJ don't see that. And the only reason why they don't see that I show them a labor right. Me not understand. All of them places shouldn't be an independent body. PSOJ shouldn't be an independent body. Me don't know how comes them a labor right. Me not understand. You get me? Want to see PSOJ, me not stop call on out. Because Uno is not credible. Uno and EOJ is not credible. Uno do everything in a Andrew Holness favor. You understand? And PSOJ, Uno need to call out Andrew Holness about declaring his asset because Uno know where Juliet Holness do, the Prime Minister wife, where is the Madam Speaker now. You know what she's doing? She's delaying the reports that the Integrity Commission gave to her. She delay everything and amend the legislation to suit themselves. And that them are do. That is what Juliet Holness is doing. That is what they're doing. And then when I talk about, we don't want to get rid of people, we are scam. And we don't want to get rid of nobody, we are scam. Because we don't scam our damn self. We don't scam taxpayers' money. And I talk about, we don't want to get. All we don't feel like up scammer, you know. If you tell the real truth. We don't feel like up scammer. Because we don't scam our self. That means that we're not hypocrite. That means we're not hypocrite. We're not real hypocrite. My viewers and subscribers, this behavior, you see this behavior where the JLP councillor have done faster, This type of behavior, but she avoid. Yeah, me like how the PNP them serve her injunction. But true, she avoid them now. She want hurry up for go swearing. Hey, listen. Una fi stop this, you know. Una fi stop this thing. It is not good. You know, look good for your country. Only some look at idiot on the country, like some idiot in the green shot. And them alone on the country. Because them need some knowledge. They don't know knowledge. So I not even look upon them. All when they come over here comment, me just cut me eye and kiss me teeth. Yeah, because uno no sensible. Uno no sensible. Uno just a go off of feelings. I look at Andrew Holness and say, oh, I like Prime Minister, I like when I wear clock. Uno to stop them something there. And the die-hearted mentality, uno to cut that out as well. Cut out the die-hearted, you know, worth it. I say if Andrew Holness a kill off, uno pick me a kill uno off, uno go still be die-hearted. Uno fi have sense, man. Uno fi have sense. Act like uno a Jamaican, take away the die-hearted mentality. Yeah, and think like a Jamaican. Think like a well-thinking Jamaican. And when you not think, beg God for some critical thinking too. Because we don't need to have some critical thinking and think that way. Like seriously. And while you're not at it, beg God for some wisdom. Because I know so no founder don't have the wisdom there. So beg God for wisdom. Because not everybody born with it. So I just beg God for it. You understand me? Lord Jesus, my viewers and subscribers, this is terrible, you know. Terrible. But Mark Golding, don't give up. Don't give up the fight. Don't give up. Because we know say Andrew Holness a thief. We know what Andrew Holness is doing. I know what he is doing. Andrew Holness can't lead nobody, me tell you now. Andrew Holness cannot lead anybody. Him under investigation. A prison figure. I told the DPP not have the best interest of Jamaican people. That's why she not press no charges for Andrew Holness. You understand? The whole of them get pay off. Yeah? The whole of them get pay off. That's why. So when I hear Andrew Holness come out and say, oh, Jamaican people, it's just a script you might read. People just write something and give him. Notice he never come out and talk. He always talk off him own. He always read off a paper. And when he do come out, when you see him go around and talk, he aggressive and he arrogant against the people. Yeah. Yeah. But my viewers and subscribers, wanna tell me what you think. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this.
When they love to talk, they're just here to trick the people. Wise up. You know what the truth is. The stinking truth, as Senator Floyd Morris called it. And there's more stinking truth to come out. Because we want to know who are the 6 members of Parliament who are under investigation for illicit enrichment. No hiding. Please not no honest. I know, say you know about them. The journey ahead is not going to be an easy journey. But we're on a noble mission. We have to fix deep challenges and crises facing the country. We have to set up the education and training system so our youth them have a proper chance in life. So our workforce is productive and can attract the kind of investment that can build an economy and build wealth for the people. I am not here to scrape. I am here to serve you and serve the people of Jamaica. And I come with a clean heart and clean hands and with a mind that has the creativity and the understanding of economics and legislation and the law to deliver proper governance of integrity that the people can trust and they'll know that their resources are being used for them and not for the pockets of friends and cronies of the politically connected. We're tired of that. Jamaica tired of that. Run them out.
My wisdom warriors on here where Mark Golding say, no come for scrape. So we all know say that Andrew Holness are there now. We know say a scrape, he must scrape for him family and for him cronies them. And I'm not now hide. This is why he cannot declare him asset. This is why it take 3 years and he still can declare him asset. And PSOJ not saying anything about that. He breached the law and he get away with it. PSOJ now come out and say nothing about that. Andrew Holness should not run for no Prime Minister again, you know. No, man. Andrew Holness should hand the Jamaican people a favor and resign because he under investigation. It is ongoing. You understand? Is currently under investigation. A Juliet Holness a hold up the report. True, she a Madam Speaker. Me telling you said that was the wrong pick. Him a turn Jamaica in a family business. That him a do. That is what Andrew Holness is doing. He can't wait for Republic. Somehow not talk about, oh, he not going to be Republic. Anyhow, King Charles they remove. You know, we go hear it. And we go see it. Andrew Holness I go show you pepe. He not ready yet for you. So if you not go out and do the right thing from now, I'm sorry for you. I think a joke thing. When they jump around and about Jamaica Labour Party fell life. My viewers and subscribers, you not take in Rasta.
Yeah, man, I man said blessed love to all of my general them, my yard, yeah. And all of my general them, my brother, and all the lady warrior them, my brother, and all the lady warrior them, my yard, yeah. All through the diaspora, big up on the nice and distant self. Big up yourself, talk your mind, not half of the press. But I hear some people, you know, every day them get up, them a run back, and even the Prime Minister, all the minister them in the Jamaica Labour Party, I run back to the 90s. They only can name 1, 2 or 3 little something where they can name say that PJ did go bad underneath PJ ruling. Them not talk about the whole heap of things them that was good, you know. Yeah, me. If it wasn't for PJ, you wouldn't have phone. If it wasn't for PJ Patterson, poor people couldn't buy a car because Siaga said no car under 5 years mustn't import and ban it, right? So no poor people could have a car. You see what I say? When Patterson come and Patterson say, boy, I'm opening up back. That's car over 5 years can come here. See, I got say I'm opening up a can of worm. And PJ got to same way because I say poor people supposed to drive car too.
Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? Listen to Rasta because the Rasta is high. So listen to him.
Not only rich people alone. You see what I say? All right? Him say, where the road there, where the car go drive pan, PJ make a highway. Because inside the road have a combust us with whole heap of too much traffic go dip on it, so people will take longer to go to airports. PJ say, all right, make a build a highway, and PJ build a highway. In the 90s that, you know. When Jackson did thief up the farm worker money, Portia was the minister of local government in St. Jackson prison. When them did a he'll treat the woman and the picnic them, Portia bring in a strict penalty to defend the woman them at Jamaica. Not like the Jamaica Labour Party minister them will take stool and a beat woman. I lick them down a ground and nothing have been done.
Yes, Rasta, everything what you say are true. Everything. And then Jamaica Labour Party go on like them and Mr. Good up. You don't listen to where Rasta have to say, yeah, man. You don't hear more.
By the Prime Minister. Somebody come on my page come talk about Spencer. You don't remember what happened to Spencer? Remember Spencer did that court a try, you know? For this, you know? Yeah. And there was no people in a Jamaica that come down and Portia to do it. No. From the scandal come out, him have to resign and him go to court about it. Him and the lady was charged. 6 thieves in a parliament right now. And nobody have charged. The man beat the woman with the chair. And up till now, Andrew no give him no charge. I want to keep on a talk about the 90s wreck Jamaica. Let me tell you, Andrew Holness regime now, I hit a wreck Jamaica.
My wisdom warriors, this is the reason why I always come over here and say, I don't want to hear nobody here come tell me nothing about 18 years. A situation that happen now. We don't want a situation right now where we have to deal with and sort out. I want to talk about 18 years. What 18 years I go do? If me come attack every day about 18 years, how that I go get rid of Andrew Holness? How Andrew Holness I go come out? Andrew Holness under investigation in a fear seek office for now 3rd time. Andrew Holness shouldn't get disqualified. Every day I want to come out and talk about 18 years. I agree with everything what Rasta say. When you hear what Rasta say, I true, you know. A true Rasta say. And when the JLP man, the JLP MP man, beat the woman, beat up the woman, what happened? No, come out of it. And them the person who want for lead, you know. Them the person that don't want to lead, you know. A prime minister that don't have the balls and don't have the gut to fire EMP and tell them when them wrong. We don't want a leader like that. If you don't have a leader like that and keep a leader like that, Jamaica is in serious trouble, my viewers and subscribers. Now is the time to get rid of Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness means say he must fight till the very end. We have to go out and touch the street and protest for that man resign. We don't want that the man there. We don't want that the man there for run Jamaica. He only a pretend to the people. Members see him say fully done, say no. Members see him endorse fully done, say no. We don't want a leader like that. He need to resign, and since him not resign, we have to take it to the street and demonstrate. We have to protest. The power is in our hands, my viewers and subscribers. I come as a messenger, not only here and not educate you only. I am a messenger. So me I tell you no, me I want you know, we have to go out and take it to the streets and demonstrate and protest against Andrew Holness because he is not credible. My viewers and subscribers, like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. On a big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.